Doing now, Be'ez Hashem is Baruch Daf Mem Zayin Omid Beis Beko U'oimer Hochen. So it's missing here, but in Babli we see the kasha that by Michvas Eish we say even Machvas Dover Acher, not Dafke Eish is called Michvas Eish, but here by Tzli Eish we has to Dafke be through fire. So what's the difference? That's if you have a hot rod of metal, it's not considered Tzli Eish, but there by Michvah you marve everything. So the more answer is here it says Kiyam Tzli Eish Shona Olav Kasav Leikuv. Michvas HaMichias Michias HaMichvah. There it says Chuka Torah. It means here. It means Tamar means here by Pesach. It says Chuka, but there by Gom it doesn't say Chuka. Now we're going back to Rav Gamliel. Rav Gamliel said a very interesting thing. He said that you can use an askala, a grill. So the Gemara asks, Leisla Gamliel Tzli Eish? How can you say such a thing? We know that it says Tzli Eish. Islay. Pesach Mitzrayim Tzli Eish, Pa'in Pesach Adoyos Tzli Eish. He holds it's only Pesach Mitzrayim, not Pesach Adoyos. Ma B'yesi Ba'abun, Gamliel Ovid Toildos Eish Ke'eish. One Ovid Toildos Eish Ke'eish. No. A different answer. Gamliel holds Toildos Eish Ke'eish. So he doesn't hold that if it's nitzla because of a heat from that became hot through fire, it's also good. That's why he holds that you can grill it on a metal. So the Gemara asking, usually you don't do, even if you hold something, you don't do against the Rabbin. How do you do a thing that's against the Chachamim? The Gemara doesn't answer anything. Ilu Amar lesoich lemenu kiyum tzli eish leman no. If the Torah will only write kiyum tzli eish, not say no, you see oime hibavoy mutter. I would say that hibavoy, you let it burn fast in a fire, it's okay, even though it's still raw. But since you gave it a small, she gets like crispy from the fire, you just put it in very fast, it's also okay. How it's no. Like ilu amar le'tzorich no kiyum tzli eish. If it, let's say it said no kiyum tzli eish, le'omar ivashel, and it wouldn't say that you're not allowed to cook it. You can cook it, and then you can roast it. How it's you're not cooking. Ilu amar le'tzorich no ivashel kiyum tzli eish. Le'omar ivashel. Yisa omer shlaka it's lo yemutter. It would say that cooking you shouldn't, but shalika is mutter. It means strong cooking. It's a chiddush. The Torah would say that only if cooking a little bit, but if you cook it a lot, then it's okay. Even if you cook it strong, it's also not good. It seems from here that cooking strong is more permissible, but I don't know why. It's not a normal way of visual, so I don't know. That's what would have been permitted. So you need to say it's also even shlika. All kazayis non boydiyoim. Is tani tana chayev. Is tani tana potter. If a person ate a kazayis non boydiyoim, the Gemara above says it's potter. Only if you eat it at night. Non amar chayev al tichel meni no bekomuk. Non amar potter b'shosh u'kum achel tzoli v'al tichel no. Shosh enu u'kum achel tzoli ein v'al tichel no. It's only that time when there's a isser when there's a chiyuv to eat tzli eish, then there's an isser of eating no. But if you eat during the day, it's not. There's no isser. Shava by etzem avoidiyam. It's tiny tona chay, it's tiny tona potter. Mandam Chayev, Etzem Etzish Bilvoy, Mandam Chota, Shashu B'Kum Achel Tzli, Ein Mishim, Etzem Etzish Bilvoy, Shashu B'Kum Achel Tzli. But only when the time of eating, that's when there's an Isser of Etzem. If you break it during still day, then there's no Isser, then you're not over on the Isser of Etzem Etzish Bilvoy. Noga B'Charta Shataner, Psul Gufu, V'Nishraf Miyad. That part is considered a Psula Guf, and you can right away burn it. It doesn't need Lina. Not Meroid V'Alacheres, Psul Machshe, who V'Ton Tzura. It's not a Psula Guf. That's already, if it touched the Mamish, the Cheres, then it's Mamish a Psul Gomer, because it's not Sli Eish. But if it first went from the juice on the Cheres and then it jumped back, that's not such a clear issue, because who says it gets cooked from the juice? So that's already a Psul Machshe, means it's not a Psula Guf, and then you need already Iber Tzura. You're not allowed to burn it until you have to first make Lina. Not Meroid V'Alasoyres, Ikas Mukoyme. So there's, we had the question, what does this mean? If it fell from the juice on cold flour, what's the issue? So we have here hot juice for Pesach. That's cooking the soilus. What's not an Isser? The Gemara explains, you're talking about soilus resachas, that the flour is very hot. So the problem is that the flour is roasting the juice. And that's also because you're not allowed to have tzli machmas davar acher. Why? It doesn't say in the Torah that is not allowed to roast something else. The juice is not. It's only that it shouldn't be roasted to something else. So it's only also when the soilus is hot and that's causing the juice to cook, and that's a problem because it's li machmas davar acher. Okay, this is a short shir. It's the end of Mem Zayin Amud Beis.